How to install plugins in Davinci Resolve. So here I have Davinci Resolve opened, and the way that I thought going about this tutorial is by actually just downloading the plugin that I want to install from scratch. I downloaded the plugin from this website right here, but because I already have it installed, I'm just gonna go into my downloads and show in folder. Now how you're gonna install this is pretty simple. You just need to double click it, and then as you can see, something popped up here, and here you go, install Magic Zoom. This is the name of the plugin. So I'm just gonna click install. I'm gonna go here. Now in effects, I believe it was, so let's just type in, there you go, I just typed in Z and there you go, it's Magic Zoom Volume 3. That's how to install plugins in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.